decided to visit family out in Hawaii. We stayed with Marcy and Aaliyah, my aunt and her wife, who live on Kauai. Over the years, we have visited them so many times, and every time we do, it really is just so magical. We're home, and look where Marcy. Okay, we're almost packed up, ready to go. Good morning. They're laughing at me for doing this vlog, but I'm so excited. We are about to kayak into the ocean and kayak to the Nepali coast. So we're currently packing everything up right now. Marcy and Aaliyah have done this a million times, and I'm so excited that we get to go with them. Okay, we gotta go.
Starting to get close to the burn.
Say hi. We just started. Here we go. Oh, look at this. I love my life. I love our. This is it. This is it right here. What we were talking.
Worked a lot today. Oh, perfectly. It's like
They're laughing at my bangs, but you know,
but we don't even
they don't see the vision. Yeah, bangs on an island. Oh gosh. Got a little rainstorm. Go snorkel at our private beach. Today's been so beautiful. We woke up at 3 a.m. this morning, so we did take a little nap, and that was nice. And then we went on a little hike, ate some delicious burritos that Aaliyah made. And now we're gonna watch the sunset and jump in the water. Go! Oh my god. Oh my god. Go right. Go right. Okay, we just docked at Kalalau. Docked, is that right? We just landed in this huge cave. So cool.
Yeah, that's crazy to do.
Packing up camp. It's time to say goodbye and I'm so sad. How can I leave? This has been a magical trip. Hopefully we see more dolphins.